This video is specifically for Pacific Islander, Samoan, Polynesian, Hawaiian, Asian women out there in the Pacific Islands. Now imagine waking up every day for the rest of your life and rolling over to a woman, pecan, tan skin, high cheekbone, curly hair, straight hair, willing to do whatever it takes for you and her to work, willing to do whatever it takes for you and her to survive. Imagine waking up in the morning and you tired and you frustrated from work yesterday and you say, "What you doing, babe?" She wrote, she said, "Babe, I'm going to work." And I said, "What you mean you going to work? You ain't got to work." She said, "Nah, baby, I'm going to work for us so me and you can survive and we can do our thing together." Imagine coming home from a hard day of work and not only is food cooked, she got your favorite food cooked every single time. And if you want something extra, she can get out in that water and she can make that happen for you. Imagine going fishing. Imagine going fishing, right? You going fishing and you ain't catch no fish and you look to your right and your old lady done caught all the fish for the entire family. Imagine, just imagine your birthday coming up and you feeling unloved and you come home and the entire island is in your backyard ready to just celebrate you. You know, I did some research about Pacific Island women, Samoan women, Hawaiian women, Asian women, Korean women, all on the west side of the world. And I just want to say, I can't even imagine for every man out there that got them a Pacific Island type woman, and I know it's a lot of variations. Y'all appreciate them, y'all love them, y'all honor them, y'all cherish them, y'all kiss them in their face, y'all kiss them right in those naturally placed cheekbones. Cheekbones was like that when they came out the womb. Imagine your woman waking up and she just super thick and she ain't got no work done. That's just how she built. Imagine her coming home tattooed up and it's all tribal and she ain't copying nobody and make sense. Just imagine. Y'all appreciate them because you know what? Because some of us ain't got them. Some of us can't. Some of us won't ever experience. Some of us won't ever experience watching the sun rise at 12 a.m. How would you watch the sun rise at 12 a.m., Josh? Because when she get out of bed, she is the sun and it is rising. She causing me to rise. So to all of my Pacific Island women, my Polynesian, my Samoan, my Hawaiian, my Asian, my Korean, my Tongan women. I don't even know how to say that word, but to all of my Tongan women, to all of y'all out there, if nobody said they appreciate you and love you and you are everything and you are beautiful and you are the only thing today, let Josh Pray be the first to say it, hair uncut, rough and all. You are everything in a half all of the time. Yes.